This is IS300, the IS300 2018 US car, American made. Let's check to convert into kilometers. The cam, the odometer is now in the 𝑪𝒓, so we have to convert into the miles or kilometer. How you can convert this? So let's come with me. Opens this. So let's press the display, and after look it focus on the front display, the menu button before you have to press, and then focus on the display is located here, and you have to scroll down, like scroll it to down sides, and they will be coming like the menu, all the details there on the display. When you will reach, yes, look at this is the vehicle seating and the others, all maintenance schedules, maintenance schedules, meter seating. You have to visit to the meter, then you have to press the units, and it's all is here. You have to press one by one, and the top one you have to press in the middles. Just wait for a while. We have to restart units, then press the miles energy. Okay, it's converted to the, this will be converted to the kilometers. Now it's the current position is the mile. Look at this automatically here. It's converted. For more information, subscribe our channels, leave your comments, and leave your ideas in here. All this button is related with this. Here you can control all the system from here.